Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about the trend here. So here the price is basically at the support area, and the support area it is at 19,000. So this is the very important support area, because in the recent times, if you see the chart here, you can see that the recent times, many a times the price is just taking up a support here. So this is again, yesterday the price took a support here, and from now, because the price has already reached to the support, now we can see a little bit upside momentum. And what could be the upside momentum? What could be the resistance for that? So we can take up a resistance at 20,000. So for I think for a good number of days, from the past good number of days, we are seeing that the price is trading in this area, in this range only. So this is for the Bitcoin. The range is very small if you look at the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but yes, the price is moving in this area, and once the price will come out from this zone, from this area, you will see much more momentum. Now if you look at the Ethereum, and Ethereum is also lacking the momentum completely, because look at the movement here, look at the candles here. So the price is very nicely just lying up at the support, which is at 1215. Now if you look at the resistance here, we can see a resistance at 1418. So this is the area where the Ethereum is moving. Very less activity is happening, very low volumes are there. So once, again, we just need to see that the price should come out from this area, and then we can see much more momentum in these cryptocurrencies. So as of now, the situation which is happening with the equity market, with the with the commodity market, with the forex market, and then the almost the situation is same, like the every single particular asset class is giving you is trading at the support area. And because of that, once they will start moving up or down, once they will start showing some momentum, you will see some momentum in the cryptocurrency segment as well. So till that time, you will see this range bound activity, you will see that not much trading activity, not much trading volumes will be there, right? So this is all from my side, and if you are liking this video, please do subscribe the channel and like this video, click on the notification bell icon. We'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching me.